is going on, guys? As you've seen, car delivery day, we finally got the new car. This thing is unbelievable. It's better than I expected. I only seen it in photos. I just purchased it from like thousands of miles away from the East Coast. As you can see, it's a GTS 911 2018. Has 30,000 miles. I'll go into more details in another video, but let me show you guys around the car a little bit. Only from the interior, you're gonna see it's a Carrera GTS on here in the seats, but once you close it, there's no GTS anything on here. Had like all the delete and everything. It's a little dirty, but we're gonna get it cleaned up. But this thing is just, you think one thing about Porsche until you drive it, then it gets elevated. Let me show you guys the inside right here. You've seen some of the outside. Has like the spoiler lift kit. Gotta lower that when I go. But it's carbon fiber, red accents, seat belts, pretty sick. I'll be doing first mod is gonna be the steering wheel. You're gonna see that next. But this thing is just amazing. What do you guys think about the choice of car? Was this the right move? Is this a better car than the M4? Let me know down in the comments. But subscribe, hit that subscribe button to see more things coming with this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.